Thanks for tuning in, guys, with the Pest and Lawn Ginja. And one of the most common questions that I get asked is, can I spray and kill weeds when it's hot outside? So today, we're gonna be tackling just that. The common misconception is if the daytime temperatures are reaching 90 degrees plus, you can't spray an herbicide. The law of the land is this: we don't want to be spraying herbicide that is going to evaporate, lift up, and hit our trees and plants. First things first, the general rule is read the label of the product that you're going to be applying. Now keep in mind, the label's law. The temperature thresholds and the types of damages that will occur will all depend on the product that you're applying. So take, for instance, one of my favorite products to use here on cool season lawns and a lot of warm season lawns called T-Zone. The label says do not spray after temperatures reach 85 degrees because this product can volatilize or evaporate and lift up and cause damages to other plants. Now, it can also cause damage to the live grass as well when it's applied above these temperatures. Now, if there's a listed threshold like this T-Zone and Speed Zone label that stipulates do not broadcast spray above 85 degrees, then we want to spray when the daily temperatures are below these thresholds. Now, there are products like Celsius out there for your warm season grass types like Bermuda, St. Augustine, and Zoysia. They have some restricted use for hotter temperatures. Now, for example, they want us using bigger droplet sizes to help avoid spray drift. And no spraying with surfactant to minimize tissue damages, and no spraying during temperature inversions. Now, if you have a product from a big box store like Home Depot or Lowe's that doesn't list the temperature but says avoid spraying when temperatures are extreme, I probably wouldn't use this product when temperatures reach above 85 or 90 degrees as a general rule of thumb. Now, at the end of the day, you have to read the label. The label's law, and always know what you're spraying. So the best course of action is to spray late at night as the temperatures are coming back down below 90 degrees, or early in the morning, a couple hours before the temps hit 90 degrees. We want to make sure that we're limiting evaporation, but you can absolutely spray when the temperatures outside during the day are below. So to answer your question, can you spray when it's hot outside? Absolutely you can. But if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, hit me up down in the comments below. You know I'd love to help you guys out. Until next time, guys, Pest and Lawn Ginja. We're slaying lawns.